If you need welding and cutting solutions for your wind turbine, for your pressure vessel, oil tanker, or pipelines, just come to Bota. Bota serves 2 Fortune Global 500 companies with products including welding column, welding rotator, positioner, and CNC cutting system. Meanwhile, the Shanghai Essen Welding Fair is upcoming. Be sure to visit our booth.
Turning rolls designed for pipe or vessel rotational welding. Capacities range from 2,200 pounds to 130,000 pounds. All turning rolls have solid-state controls and high-frequency protected. Total weight capacities range from 2,200 to 13,200 pounds. For pipe or vessel rotation. Steel rolls with polyurethane tires. Quick, accurate roll centering adjustment. Hand pendant with forward stop reverse, speed potentiometer and fast button are standard for models BKT 3504 and larger. BKT 0100 have solid-state controls. BKT 3504, BKT 3500B and BKT 6000B have AC.
Hi everyone, this is Sunny from Bota Welding and Cutting Equipment Company. We manufacture welding, room and boom, manipulator, welding turning roll, welding positional. Here, this is our welding turning roll, and this one is a 40 pounds, and it is wireless control. It is a very high technology. Now you can see already produced and tested several things in our factory. These are 40 tons welding turning roll. And this one is 80 pounds turning roll. You can see this is the control box. And the double box for protect the wire. And it is anti-explosion. This welding turning roll can work in a very tough work condition. This one is a remote control box. It is a simple style, but our standard, we have another one. This remote control is our standard type. We can, there is emergency stop, speed control, power turn on, and we can use this remote, can do forward, reverse, stop, these actions for control the welding turning roll. It is very easy for use and it's very safety for operators. And our welding turning roll widely used in heavy pressure vessel and boiler tank production. So if you are interested in our welding turning roll, welcome to contact me by the below contact details. Thank you.
Okay.
Have AC inverter drive motor with dynamic braking on the rotation drives. High frequency protected. Optional variable speed foot control. Capacities range from 10,000 to 130,000 pounds. Main base frames are fabricated and stress relieved before machining. Worm gears and helical drive gears are designed to provide high torque and low backlash. Synchronized AC inverter drive control for each motor with dynamic braking on the rotation drives. Steel rollers with natural rubber tires. BKT series design with symmetrical roller for quick and accurate screw-type centering adjustment. BKT series are bowl type for diameter adjustment. Hand pendant with forward stop reverse, speed potentiometer and fast button is standard. High frequency protected. Optional variable speed foot control. Optional travel, rail car and track. Welding turning rolls. Welding turning rolls, which support fabrications weighing from a few hundred pounds to 1,000 tons, for rotating cylindrical objects such as tanks and pressure vessels for making circumferential welds. To make longitudinal welds, fabricators mount the welding head on a travel carriage. Some welding fabricators equip pipe turning rolls with special fixturing to hold non-cylindrical assemblies. Power turning rolls come in sets with the powered turning roll called a driver and one or more idler rolls. Their simplistic design promotes a low initial cost and keeps maintenance and repair costs low. Quality construction, powerful performance, exceptional value.